where we are going to investigate the inside of a fetal pig. Okay, so we've had time to look around and see all the parts as they are in the fetal pig's body. Now, the challenge is to take out the esophagus, the trachea, the heart and lungs in all one piece, if possible.
Okay, it is time to do the most difficult part of a fetal pig dissection, and this is the removal of the brain from the cranium. We're going to be looking at the parts of the brain, and the challenge is going to be if we can get the brain out of the fetal pig in one piece so that we can actually look at it. We're going to take a look at the kidneys, the renal blood vessels, the ureters, and the bladder.
So if you have a male pig, you'll want to make sure you can just kind of track where all the plumbing goes. It's pretty amazing. So that is our male reproductive tract.
And that concludes our excretory system.